slicing. Now, slicing not only works on lists, it also works on strings and tuples, and is very useful when you want to grab different sections of an iterable object, or specifically a list string or tuple. Now, notice that I have a list here that goes from 0 to 5. A slice allows you to grab any elements between a start, an end, and a step, very similar to something like the range function in Python. Now, what you can do is you can define a start value, and if you do this, it defines what index you're going to start grabbing values from. So in this situation, we've started at 1, and that means that we're going to start at index 1, which has value 1. Now, you also have the ability to define an end. You don't have to, which I'm going to show you in 1 second, but you can. Now, if you define an end, you're going to go to that index, but not include it. Now, we also have the option to include a step. Now, the step is how many elements we should skip over as we grab elements from this list. So if we look here, you can see that I have : 2. That means we are going to start at the beginning of the list because we've not included it. So by default, we start at the beginning. We've not included the end, which means by default, we're going to go to the end and include it, which is important. But we've included the step value, which is 2, which means we're going to step over every first or every second index.